you want me to go again?
Yes.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Today, our babysitter Danielle is looking after us while Mummy and Dad have gone out together. Because it's their wedding anniversary. They got married 6 years ago today. Danielle is helping us make a special cake as a surprise for Mummy and Dad.
There we go.
Now it looks all fluffy.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Now, who wants to sieve the flour?
Me!
Okay, Topsy, you hold it. I'll pour. And Tim, get ready to tap. Go.
By the time we'd finished clearing up, the cake is baked and cooled and ready for decorating. Oh, that cake looks really yummy.
I know, it will taste yummy as well.
When can we decorate the cake?
Oh, now. What would you like to decorate it with?
I know, maybe... Oh, things that Mummy and Daddy like. Mummy likes these jammy biscuits. Dad loves chocolate fingers. I'm going to put some chocolate fingers on the cake for Dad.
Fantastic, a biscuit cake.
Yeah!
Off you go.
This will be delicious. Oh, this is so nice. We make the cake look very special. Here. I know. It looks really good, doesn't it?
It looks fantastic. Well done, Topsy and Tim.
I know how we can make the cake even more special for Mummy and Dad, as it's their wedding anniversary. We can decorate the cake like the one on their wedding photograph. Yes, we can make a special wedding cake with 3 layers. Yeah. Please come with Danielle.
Oh, sorry, Topsy and Tim, but we don't have time to make 2 more cake layers before Mummy and Dad get home.
We don't need more cake. We can use these. Yes, we can decorate a plate each and then put them on the cake like this.
That's a brilliant idea, Topsy and Tim.
I'm going to decorate my cake upstairs in my room. I'm going to do mine here. I draw a picture of Mummy and Dad on my plate.
Oh, great picture, Topsy. Well done.
Thank you, Danielle. That's sticky. I make a farm plate. Good. Tim, come and see my plate. Look at my plate, Danielle.
Oh, that's beautiful, Topsy. Well done. Now go and wash your hands and we'll make it stand up on the cake.
Okay.
Can you bring your plate down now, please, Tim?
Come on, Tim. Coming. It's a farm. Look, Danielle.
Oh, that's brilliant, Tim. There we go.
Wow, your plate is really good, Topsy.
You've both done so well. There we go.
How are we going to make our plate stand up on the cake, Danielle?
Well, I thought we could use these chocolate fingers, but first of all, you have to wash your hands, please, Tim.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Pop that one there. Okay, Topsy, if you want to get the first chocolate finger, and we're going to put it here.
There.
There we go. Make a nice hole. That's perfect.
Where should I put it?
I'd like you to put that there.
Here.
That's fantastic. Try and balance it very gently on top of the chocolate fingers.
Great! Yes!
How's that?
Brilliant!
Another one. Just
There.
there we go. Nice and gently. So it doesn't all fall down.
Ooh.
That's perfect.
Well, this looks really good. Now let's try and put my farm plate on. Yay!
Oh, no! Try again.
Oh, I think that one's wonky. Yay!
Oh,
Yay!
Well done,
we
Topsy
need one
and
over
Tim.
here.
Oh.
Mummy, they're back. Hello, Mummy. You had a nice time.
Hello, my twin-tastic Topsy and twin-tabulous Tim.
We've got a special anniversary wedding surprise. Oh, it's in here. Look.
Surprise!
What is
Come
it?
see. Oh, Liz!
Oh, wow! Look at this cake!
Oh, my goodness.
It's got all our favourite biscuits.
We made it like your wedding cake.
Oh, thank you. Hi, Danielle. It's fantastic. I want to take a picture of it.
Oh, thank you very much for helping them, Danielle.
Oh, they did really well. Oh, I tell you what, do you want me to take one of you four for you?
Get
Oh,
some
that'd be
chocolate.
lovely. Thank you, Danielle.
I'll go here.
Squeeze in.
Oh, okay, so here we go.
I go there. Here. Why don't you go there?
Cake.
Cake.
Cake!
Yummy, yummy cake.
Thank you. Oh, hang on a minute. Sorry. It's Grandpa calling. You all go and eat. I'll be back in a minute.
Let's have a slice. Got a plate. There you go.
We can't eat the plates, Dad.
We can't eat the plate.
What's a slice?
Danielle eats a slice of cake and then goes home.
Delicious. Thank you.
Mummy's on the phone for a long time.
Must have taken you ages to make this.
Not too long to help Danielle.
Oh, she was good, wasn't she?
Okay.
Was Danielle?
Yeah. Take care and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Oh, sorry, gang.
Here's your cake, Mummy.
Oh, thank you, Topsy. Yum.
What did Grandpa say, Mummy?
Is everything all right?
Not really. Granny Molly's had a little fall.
Oh,
But don't worry. I know, but don't worry. She's fine. She's just hurt her arm a little bit. But she's been in hospital and she needs to rest at home.
Oh, poor Granny and Grandpa. Hope she gets well soon.
And that's when Mummy said, I'm going to stay with Granny Molly and Grandpa next week.
So I am going to go and stay with Granny Molly and Grandpa next week, Topsy and Tim.
We don't want you to go. We want to come, or you can stay. Can we come?
Oh,
Don't go.
no, listen, you'll be fine. I need to go up and help them out. I've got to catch the train. But Dad will take good care of you two.
Hang on. If I'm looking after you two, who's going to look after me?
We will.
Oh, thank goodness!
Be good for Dad next week, okay?
We will. We will, Mummy.
Good. Now, guess what?
What?
This is the best cake I have ever tasted. So I think we should all have another slice.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we made a special cake for Mummy and Dad. Can you remember what Tim made for the top layer of the cake? Was it a farm plate? Or was it a dinosaur plate? The answer is behind Wiggles the rabbit. Look, the answer is a farm plate. Watch this. I draw a picture of Mummy and Dad on my plate.
A great picture, Topsy. Well done.
Thank you, Danielle. I make a farm plate. Look at my plate, Danielle.
Oh, that's beautiful, Topsy. Well done. Now go and wash your hands and we'll make it stand up on the cake.
Can you bring your plate down now, please, Tim?
Come on, Tim. Coming. It's a farm. Look, Danielle.
Oh, that's brilliant, Tim.
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.